Are you getting low marks in the mock tests in the coaching institute or any other test series? Not knowing how to improve your score? Stop worrying. Choose the Ultimate in Test Series, Ultra Test Series for NEET by Career Orbits. Other test series simply assess your level of preparation. You don't know how to improve your score. You are hardly able to clear doubts. You are not sure that those tests cover all the concepts. Using Ultra Test Series, firstly you practice questions with a chapter-wise question bank. These questions cover all the important concepts. For 650 plus score in NEET, you need to achieve accuracy level of 90% and above. Before taking tests, you need to practice minimum 100 to 300 questions, NEET level questions. In each chapter, you get all these questions in this question bank. With this question bank, you not only practice but also learn the correct ways to solve the NEET level questions. Like thousands of our students, you can also clear your doubts in less than half a minute with detailed step-by-step explanations written by top experts. If you are unable to recall any concept, get the definition and key formula on a click and pull out the complete study note and revise the concept quickly. No need to go back to books. You save a lot of time and can practice more and more questions. We track every question which you wrongly answer and create your personal revision list. By working repeatedly on weaker areas with revision lists, you can boost accuracy to 90% and above. Take chapter tests, minor tests, and full syllabus mock tests to systematically develop your test-taking skills and time management skills during the exam. You get instant result after submitting a test. Check out which questions took you more time to avoid spending extra time during the actual NEET exam. Clear your doubts with the step-by-step explanations for the questions which you answered wrongly or left unanswered. You still have a scope for improvement, so we add these questions to your flag list. Practice these questions repeatedly to gain perfection. Repeated practice with revision lists, bookmark lists, and flag lists help you reach a stage where the moment you see a question, you have an immediate roadmap in mind as to what is the complexity in the given question, which concept to apply, and which steps to follow. Practice all the given questions, clear your revision list, work on a bookmark list and flag list, and you can also achieve 600 plus and 650 plus like these students who used our courses. Take the first step now. Register for a free trial and check out what difference the Ultra Test Series can make to your NEET preparation.